how to replace the windshield wiper blades on the Toyota RAV4 between 2019 and 2025. Okay, so here is the wiper blades replacement or the refill. You can purchase the refill from the automotive store. They are fairly cheap. Here I've got the 8.5mm refill. With the new replacement, you may need to cut it off so that it would fit your older blade. So once you remove the older blade, just simply place it side by side, and then we can cut it off so that it will fit correctly. Okay, so first I'm going to pull up the arm, and then we're going to attempt to disconnect the blade from the arm. So there is a small clip right there. You pull up and then you push it down or out like that. Just move to the side and then pull out like that. So we pull it out. You can see there is a small hook it into place. So we just pull it out. Alright, so after that we're going to pull the rubber blade out. So at the top here there are two small clips. We just simply pull it out of place like that. So pull down and then remove it. Okay, so continue to pull it out. Okay, so we pull all the way out, and then after that you can measure and cut the new blade so that it would fit perfectly with the arm. There are two metal rods on the side of the rubber blade, so you need to take it out and put it over to the new rubber blade. Okay, so now it's time to insert the rubber blade back in. Okay, so make sure it is locked into place. Then we're going to insert the holder. So insert the holder back into this hook, push it in, and then we want to lock it in. Okay, so push it down to lock it in. And that's it. We have now successfully replaced the windshield rubber blade on the Toyota RAV4 2019 to 2025. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now you can also go and replace it on the other one as well. Cheers.